take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Follow these steps. Remove the string. Place the turkey on a carving board. Remove the legs and thighs. Cut through the skin that connects the breast and the drumstick. Remove the drumsticks. Remove the wishbone. Remove turkey breasts. Remove the wings. Slice the thigh meat. Slice the breast meat.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
It's easy. Simply cook it a day or two in advance. Let it cool completely, then carve the bird into large pieces, breasts, wings, thighs and drumsticks. Store in a container in the refrigerator until the big day. This method actually results in juicier meat, and an infinitely more relaxed host.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
For moist meat without the hassle of clearing fridge space to soak the bird in a vat of brining liquid, try a dry brine. Salting a turkey and letting it rest before roasting seasons it deeply and helps it retain moisture.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Ideally, your turkey should rest 30 to 40 minutes to let the juices redistribute. This gives you enough time to make gravy, too. We usually recommend that the turkey get back into the refrigerator within 2 hours, so by the time you carve and serve, that time frame works pretty well.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.